Have you ever wondered why humans cry? Why do tears appear when we're sad, overwhelmed, or even incredibly happy? Why do emotional tears exist at all? After all, many animals can make sounds when they're in pain, but humans are the only known species that sheds emotional tears. Is crying simply a sign of sadness, or is it one of the brain's most powerful survival mechanisms? Scientists have spent decades studying this unique human behavior, and what they've discovered is far more fascinating than most people realize. This is the science of crying. What are tears? Every tear begins inside tiny glands called the lacrimal glands, located just above your eyes. These glands constantly produce tears throughout the day. In fact, your eyes are always covered by a thin layer of tears, even when you don't notice them. These tears protect your eyes from dust, bacteria, and dryness. Scientists divide tears into three different types. The first are basal tears, which continuously keep your eyes healthy and moist. The second are reflex tears, produced when something irritates your eyes, such as smoke, onions, or dust. The third are emotional tears. These are the tears that appear when you experience powerful feelings like sadness, joy, fear, love, or relief. And these emotional tears are what make humans truly unique. Why do we cry emotionally? When you experience intense emotions, your brain becomes extremely active. The amygdala, a region responsible for processing emotions, sends signals throughout the nervous system. Soon afterward, the lacrimal glands begin producing emotional tears. But why? Scientists believe crying may help regulate overwhelming emotions. Instead of keeping intense feelings trapped inside, crying allows the body to gradually calm itself. Research also suggests that emotional tears contain different chemical substances than ordinary tears. Some scientists think these tears may help reduce stress after emotionally difficult experiences. Although researchers continue to study this process, evidence suggests crying plays an important role in emotional recovery. Why does crying make us feel better? Many people notice they feel calmer after a good cry. There may be several reasons for this. Crying activates the parasympathetic nervous system. This part of the nervous system helps the body relax after stress. Your breathing gradually slows down. Your heart rate becomes more stable. Muscles begin to relax. At the same time, crying often encourages support from other people. Friends and family may comfort you, reducing feelings of loneliness and emotional pain. In many ways, crying may be one of the body's natural methods for emotional healing. Why do we cry when we're happy? Not all tears come from sadness. People often cry during weddings, reunions, graduations, or the birth of a child. These happy tears may seem confusing. Why would joy make us cry? Scientists believe extremely positive emotions can become just as overwhelming as negative ones. The brain responds by releasing tears to restore emotional balance. In other words, crying may help regulate emotions whether they're happy or sad. It's the brain's way of preventing powerful feelings from becoming too overwhelming. Do animals cry like humans? Many animals produce tears to protect their eyes. Dogs, cats, elephants, and many other animals all make tears. However, there is currently no strong scientific evidence that animals shed emotional tears in the same way humans do. Animals express emotions through sounds, body language, facial expressions, and behavior. Human emotional crying appears to be a unique form of communication. Some scientists believe emotional tears evolved because they silently signal to others that we need comfort, empathy, or support. The science behind tears. Crying is far more than a simple reaction to sadness. It's a remarkable combination of biology, psychology, and human emotion. Your tears protect your eyes. They help regulate stress. They strengthen social bonds. And they allow your brain to recover from life's most powerful emotional experiences. The next time you find yourself crying, remember this. Those tears are not a sign of weakness. They're evidence that your brain and body are working together exactly as nature designed them to. Sometimes the healthiest thing a human being can do is simply let the tears fall. Thank you for watching.